Ngiyayiqhenya kakhulu ngekhwezi. Wangisiza ukuhlangana nekhwezi. La ngenza ngazana noNkulunkulu. Kulapho la ngathatha khona isinqumo sokuthi angeke ngisayibulala. Ngathandaza, ngilalela leli khwezi ngisakulaleli kokunye. uNkulunkulu wayiphendula imikhuleko wami ngokuthi ngivule nje le station.
Yebo.
Ile station nje nobaba umfundisi mina owanginyula ekufeni.
Kwezi 30 years khula.
Kwezi 30 years khula.
Ngiyafisa ukulibona ikhwezi ingagcini ngathi liguqula impilo zabantu.
They see their work as really a calling and genuinely care about the communities that they work with, and you see this in how they express themselves, how they interact with the communities.
Sesiyatshala ke. Okuningi ashikuthengi kuyasilekelela nje kakhulu. Abantu zabaqhubeke belalele kakhulu ikhwezi. Liyasiza. Belekeleleke, especially abantu abasha nje bekukhusela ukusebenza umhlabathi nokutshala.